Good day, viewers. Once again, we have before us another device. It's a Bluetooth MP3 player. I think it's West Star model WS1038. What's the problem? It works, but it's just that it does not power. It doesn't get charged because the charging port has some issues. If you check this port, it is empty. I have actually removed it. It's battery is very weak, so we need to remove the battery. First thing first, get the battery removed. It has been opened already, so we'll just remove these parts. We did this so that we won't extend the video unnecessarily. We had to remove all of the the screws and get it opened. So this is what we have inside of this device. This is what we have inside of the device. So we are going to quickly bring out the board. That's our target. There's a board where the charging ports is connected to. So we will just quickly see if we can bring it out and work on it. Then while we are doing all of that, let me power on the soldering iron so that we can have something to use if we need to use the soldering iron. Okay, now the gum has been used to hold the cable down. What we need to do is gain access, but as it stands, it's not coming out because the gum has held this cable. Gum has held it. So what we will do, and I wouldn't want us to disconnect. Okay, let me apply the heat to the glue. And apply heat to it to soften it, and so that it can reduce. It can freely remove it. Let's reduce. Let's allow it to get heated up properly, such that it will be easy for the gum to melt. Just to release okay, right. That it is working. So I think we've been able to get that freed. So now it can come out. That's what we need. Just need to access this board and then check the charging port section on board. Where are you? Charging ports. Where are you on board? Yeah, I think we saw the charging ports removed. Yeah, here is the charging port. Got it removed. It was already removed and dangling within the device. So okay, I think here is it. Here is the spot where it got removed from. So we are going to see if it's possible for us to return it, but it's as if some spots, a particular contact has been taken out of the board. So what we will do, we only try and see if we can manage the situation peel that spot. There's a spot, there's a track to it that we can peel that gives us access to the peeled track. One of the track is peeled, so I want to peel a track that is very close to it and see if we can solder. And hopefully, I think that is the positive. That's the positive track. Positive track has been taken away. That's the positive track. Oh, positive track. Let me see if I can engage soldering iron. Pick my put a little bit of soldering paste, or we call it flux. I want to see if I can dissolve the track that was on board. Can we dissolve the track? I want to remove that track. This one is this track. Yeah. Yes, that was removed. Then for the chassis, let's remove that as well. I mean the part of the board that got peeled off. Just want to see if we can use this charging port again instead of using another one. Okay. Let me use a bigger one. Okay. So okay. All right. So we are going to be applying some flux here. Melt it. Then look for position the charging ports to be good. It is done on a very flat surface. But I'll try my best and see if we can do it carefully here, so that we won't need to. I don't want to damage the plastic. I don't want to damage the plastic. Okay. Okay. Standing. What we are trying to do is to just sew this back in place. Mm-hmm. That's fair. Let me pick that up. Let me pick that up. Pause the video. Pause. Now the charging port is found. So we are trying to position it back there. So that's fixes it there. So let me check if nothing is everything is intact. So all I need to do is just to engage tiny mouth soldering iron and ensure it sticks to ground to the board. So the only terminal that is not connected now is the one that has to do with that's the positive terminal that got peeled off, and we're carefully going to be carefully adding some. Just trying to separate. So now let us check continuity between that terminal and the next terminal if there is no bridge. So let's see, okay, it's connected to ground. Yeah, it's connected to ground, correct. So now the positive, let me check if it's connected. It's not connected yet to that particular location I want it connected to. So I'll need to do a peeling that peels these spots. So I'll peel that spot, add some lead to it, see if I can link it to that terminal. That's the problem with charging ports that got moved forcefully. It peels off the the track, and that can lead to difficulty fixing it back. So I will only try my best to see if I can gain access there. So the instrument I'm using are not the right one. I'm supposed to use a more tinier mouth soldering iron. The type for the phone. I had one, it got damaged, so I'll get another one soon. Get another one soon. So what I will do now is I'll remove the charging port again and do that connection before I place it. Okay. So I'll remove it, then see how I can ensure that this track receives, and make sure the track is properly peeled so that by the time the pin gets there, it will contact. This is actually highly technical skill, requires high technicality. So any technical, you may not be able to do this at home yourself if you are not into electronic repairs. This is not a DIY work. It is actually meant for those that know what they are doing, not for learners on this job. For learners, actually for people that know it, that know what they are doing. So I recommend that you don't try this at home. Take it to the right technical person that can get this fixed for you. If it were to be, even it's not every technical person that can do this. It requires a good knowledge of this work. Anyone that has a good knowledge of it can and give this a try. Otherwise, you condemn the condemn the Bluetooth player. The device will just be condemned. So there's a need for okay. I believe this is connected now. I believe this is connected. And to believe it is set. This is set to. Let's check continuity. Let's check continuity with that. Okay. It continues with the terminal. It you get it. A tapping wire. And one tapping wire. So we are going to engage this tapping wire. Tap from here. Okay. Then take it to the next joint there. Okay. That connects it. Okay. So now let us check if there's any bridge with the positive. If there's a bridge, we will hear a sound. No bridge. So let us check if there be a resistance now on that port. They are good. Now we can have some. That's the direct resistance. That's about 540 something. So showing that there's a linkage now. So that means this charging port is now connected and fixed. The single terminal that has problem that we couldn't connect now has been connected. So now let us check. Let's check if the charging port works. All right, let's check the other side. You can see there's an indication. So if there's a battery, now I think the light, the indicator should be stable. Let's introduce battery to it. Negative this way, negative this way. Okay, trying to take note of the polarity. All right, so let's charge now and see. Now the power is stable. The charger on, very stable now. So that gets this this device fixed now. Battery is not yet charged, so it was going to make a sound, but it's not. Its battery is completely. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. All right, correct. So that was what we were trying to do before we couldn't get it was not on. So if you are new, if this video has been a blessing to you, if it has helped you in any way, please like for you to subscribe to our channel. This is Nitty-Gritty Electronic Repairs. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share them. We need your comments, as all of this will help the algorithm used by YouTube to make our videos visible to the general world. All right, so please, and if you have been a subscriber, you have been watching our videos, we need more of your likes and comments. And for everyone, please click on the notification button so that when more of our videos come, you will be easily notified and you can watch and enjoy some of them. Thank you. See you in the next video.